Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral from 0 to 1 of x squared multiplied with the square root of 1 minus x squared dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about s equal to sin t, ds equal to cosine t dt. Next, we change the number 0 and number 1. If s equal to 0, so t should be about 0. If s equal to number 1, so t should be about b over 2. So we just change about b over 2 in here. This one we change for sin t. ds we change for this one. Next, we have sin t squared plus cosine t squared equals to number 1. So we got about 1 minus sin t squared equal to cosine t squared. We put this one in here. The square root of cosine t squared, you got about cosine t. Cosine t multiplied with cosine t, you got about cosine t squared. Next, we have 2 sin t cosine t equal to sin 2t. So we will apply this one in here. We put about 4 over 4. Next, we got about 1 over 4 multiplied with the integral from 0 to b over 2. And we put number 4 inside the square, so you got about 2 sin t cosine t to the power of 2 dt. This one we change to sin 2t. Next, we have sin 2t squared equals to 1 minus cosine 4t over 2. So we put this one in here. And now we can get the final answer. We have number 2 multiplied with number 4, you got about 1 over 8. This one we got about t. Negative cosine 4t, you got about negative 1 over 4 sin 4t. We put 0 and b over 2 in here. And we got about b over 16. And this is the answer of the question. That's the end. Thank you for watching.